Congratulations on choosing VFX as your career option. VFX is just one of the industry where a lot of job hiring happens nowadays. So if you just finished your higher education, just try to enroll into a reputed multimedia institute where you can learn a diploma courses on VFX and animation, or just try to enroll into a professional degree just like BSc animation degree from a reputed UGC approved university. Make sure the university is UGC approved. Along with this, try to enroll in online education such as websites like YouTube, or nowadays I could see a lot of online courses as well. So after your education, try to make an excellent portfolio or showreel, and later then you can apply for studios for job. I agree to the point that it is little hard for freshers to find a job, but don't lose your hope. I emphasize that a showreel is more important than the name of the university you just finished your education. So try to make an excellent showreel so that you can give such an impression. Also, on a side note, I would like to say that working in visual effects industry is not that easy as you think, and it's not always fun. Sometimes you have to work in extreme pressurized situations and you have to deal with artists just like you. So once you start blending into this, eventually you will evolve as a great artist. And visual effects is an ever-changing industry, so you should try to stay updated and you should try to learn new things on a day-to-day basis. This helps you to build a great career. So if you are looking for consultations for job related things or abroad education or productivity related to your work stuff, you can mail me at contact@madlookzvfx.com. Hope this answer helps every one of you, and stay safe.